Kenya moluor William Samoei Ruto kaachiel kod ogai mar ODM Laktar Oburu Oginga gi jotelo mamoko ne ok omulo kata wach nendo mar yawo Sava kaachiel bende kod neno ni yiero ma higa manyien otim e yor nendo makare ka olero ni wechegi eko mag lony manyasani kata teknoloji e tayo chenrogo eko mag yiero nyaka non makare to moloyo kotenore koda yawo Sava ma bende Raila Odinga ne dwaro kendo nowinjore mar mondo mi oyaw to gi kinde niendi jotend ODM kaachiel koda UDA koro ne oumo wach nendo kendo pok giwuoye nyaka gi kinde niendi.
To give them a record. Now, this report, I'll just give you some highlights, and I'll not go into details because they'll all be presented. But let's take the issue of audit of the 2022 presidential elections, what we called opening the Sava. There was an item like that. No work has been done on that. To date, people are asking IEBC, and we are asking them again here. If you do not address the issue of technology, not just the technology itself, but whoever supplies that technology for purposes of the next general elections, then what have you achieved? That was here. It has not been done, and they were too afraid to address it there. Nobody talked about it, opening of the servers. Did you hear anything about that? Confidence in the IEBC. They bragged that IEBC has been reconstituted. But ask yourself the question, has the new IEBC inspired confidence in the people of Kenya? When there are questions on how the selection process was done, when there's ultimate suspicion of close personal and other connections between those who are put into IEBC and those who are holding high offices in government and influential positions even in ODM, there are issues that must be addressed. So we wish IEBC well, and we are going to support IEBC. But we cannot bury our heads in the sand that there are no credibility questions. So we need to discuss these things. The cost of living crisis. They talked a lot about cost of living crisis. But I want to ask you and ask Kenyans, do you feel better off today than you were 3 years ago? That is a question they ought to have answered there. Does your shilling buy you more today or less than it did 3 years ago? Those are the questions.
Jaod bura ma Embakasi East Babu Owino kwedo malich mokalo